It's different right from the beginning. Its name. It's called CCS, Client-Centered Software. As a standard protocol among drafting systems across the country, it's very lawyer-oriented. They're very focused on what legal features you're choosing, powers of appointments, after death asset protection, things of that nature. This software has all that naturally, but it's very different in its makeup. What we do is, instead of focusing on the legal provisions, we focus on the client needs. So we take the client through a story of their life while they're alive, if they become disabled, when are they disabled, when they die, who do they want to be in control, who do they want to benefit at all of these different times. And we walk them through a story of their life, and we document it on our templates. And the beauty of these templates is that everything's on there. You will never have to worry about whether you're missing a core issue, because we take you through a comprehensive application of their life, and then we look at those questions, and depending on how the client answers those questions, it then brings in the necessary law to get those results, whether it's a power appointment or an asset protection trust. So it's all there, but it's really client focused. In fact, many of the attorneys always share with us how once they start using it, they're surprised at how different it is, but how much more user-friendly it is with the clients. It is very, very client-centered. And it's very unique and different in that it is really structured around a system approach. For example, our software is actually integrated back all the way into our educational workshop. We tell stories in the workshop that anchor the client to some key legal concepts. When we come into their initial meeting, which we call a vision meeting, to help them choose the plan they want, we anchor back to those same stories, which again, remember, all anchor back to key legal concepts. In the design meeting, we again anchor the client back to those key stories that they can relate to in their life, that again anchor to those key legal concepts. And so as we're making the choices in the design template, we have unlimited flexibility and customization that we can do at every level of the estate plan, whether it's the will, the healthcare proxy, whether it's the trust, whether it's before death, after death. Our trusts are highly customizable, where you could even have specific bequest trusts. You can have different trustees for every trust, different formats. That's if you want to get customized to understand how to use it. You want to get the customization down. Or you can have it simplified. If you have a traditional plan you typically do, you could set that in the software and it'll generally do that as well. It depends on your level. You get to use it all the way up to that fully customizable level. We have over 4,900 different variations of options that can cross-combinate into a plan for a client. Or you can use the standard ones, whatever's comfortable for you. And what we learn is the more you use it, the more customizations you become accustomed to, and the more you are distinguished in the marketplace from all those other softwares that are all the same trust over and over, with a few names that being different. So it's up to you. It can do the simplified versions, or it can be very customizable. It's your choice, but the software allows it, and it's very client-centered.